Hey guys, Dane from Scoggin Dickey Parts Center here in the Scoggin Dickey Chevrolet showroom. You guys see this beautiful C8 behind me. Something we wanted to talk about today was a product change that we have on the GM accessories for the Corvette Battery Tinder. So this is a very popular piece that we have. We've got tons of customers that purchase these on our website at sdparts.com, or just purchase it and have it with their car whenever they come in and order their Corvette. This has gone through a minor design change, and as you can see right here, this pigtail allows you to use two different ways to attach to your vehicle: the classic cigarette lighter receptacle, as well as you have your clamps to go directly to your battery. This is just a very, very minor design change, but allows you to have a little bit of versatility with your product. You've probably been trying to find the old product that just had the cigarette lighter setup. That has been discontinued and superseded by this product here. It still looks the same. It's just, very, very minor design change. But just wanted to give you guys kind of a heads up and see that. That way, when you're going to get yourself your battery Tinder for your Corvette, or sometimes you can use this for other vehicles as well. It might be having a little bit of a challenge trying to find the old part number. But we have the new part number. You guys can check our description in the video down below on YouTube or up above on Facebook. And we have the link for this product to our website. Feel free to check it out. And once again, the old part number, you're not going to be able to find it except for maybe on eBay or anything else like that. It's been superseded and replaced by this one. So that's kind of our product highlight for today. Thanks for stopping by, and feel free to come back by next time for another tech video.